Are you wondering which AI tool is better for your needs? Today, we are comparing Blackbox AI and ChatGPT. Both tools help you generate text and answer questions, but they have different strengths. Let's dive into what each one offers. Blackbox AI focuses on helping developers. It creates code snippets and assists with programming tasks. It's designed to save time and improve efficiency for tech savvy users. If you are a programmer, you might find it very useful. On the other hand, ChatGPT is more general. It can chat with you, answer questions, and provide information on various topics. It's user friendly and great for anyone looking for conversational AI. Whether you need help with writing or just want to chat, ChatGPT has you covered. Now, what sets them apart? Black Box AI is specialized for coding and technical tasks. ChatGPT is versatile and works well for everyday conversations and inquiries. When we look at features, Black Box AI offers coding assistance and debugging help. ChatGPT shines in natural language processing and can hold a conversation. Each tool has its unique features that cater to different audiences. In terms of pricing, Blackbox AI often has subscription plans for developers. ChatGPT usually offers free access with options for paid plans for extra features. So, which one should you choose? If you are a developer needing coding help, Blackbox AI is the way to go. If you want a friendly AI for chatting or general information, ChatGPT is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.